Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got pasta on the menu today. And man, this is one of my favorite pastas. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spicy Italian sausage pasta. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our rigatoni pasta. We have our Italian sausage. Now I'm using a mix of hot and mild. You can go straight hot or straight mild, totally up to you. We have some white wine, heavy whipping cream, olive oil, chopped garlic, red chili flakes, basil, tomato paste, salt and pepper, butter, some diced roasted tomatoes, red onion, and some Parmesan cheese. So let's get to it. All right, before we get started, go ahead and start preparing your pasta according to the box instructions. You guys know how to do that. No need for me to show you. So we're gonna start by cranking up our cooktop. We're gonna add our butter, our olive oil. We're gonna add our onions, and we're gonna cook our onions for a couple of minutes until translucent. All right, so after about a couple of minutes, we're gonna go in with our sausage, and we're gonna start getting this broken up as we cook it. We're gonna season that with some salt and pepper. All right, so once your sausage are brown, you wanna come behind that with your garlic, and we're gonna cook this in here for an additional minute or so. Man, once we start to smell that garlic, man, you already know it's time to go in with our tomato paste, that basil, and our chili flakes. We're gonna cook this for the next 3 to 4 minutes. You're gonna notice it's gonna change to like a deep reddish color. This is what you're looking for. Take a look at that. All right, so after about 3 to 4 minutes, you wanna go in this with your wine. And we're gonna get the pan deglaze for about 4 to 5 minutes. And you're gonna notice that your wine is gonna start to slowly evaporate, but you don't want it to evaporate totally, but you want it to be mostly evaporated. Man, this smells good too, man. I love cooking with booze, you already know that. All right, guys, as you can see, some of our wine has evaporated. We don't want it all to evaporate where it becomes dry. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our diced tomatoes along with our cream. And we're gonna cook this for the next 5 or 6 minutes to let that sauce thicken. All right, guys, it looks like our sauce has slightly thickened. So what we're gonna do now is fold in our pasta. Along with about 1/4 cup of that pasta water and our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna get that mixed in like this. And we're gonna let this cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Look at how that sauce is sticking. We're gonna turn our heat off and let's head over to our cutting board for the final touches. And guys, just to finish that off, of course, we're gonna add some of that green stuff just so we can be efficient and get on YouTube. You can't even get on YouTube if you don't put none of that green stuff on your food. That's it, guys. And there you have it, guys. Spicy Italian sausage pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because it's time. Let's get it. All right, guys, we back in here, quality control. Guys, take a look at this pasta. Man, y'all already know it. That's fire there, man. That's fire. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Oh, man. Oh, man, this cream is sauce. Man, I don't even know what kind of dance that was. Man, I'm telling you, boy, I wanted to lean with it, rock with it on that one now, son. Listen. Listen, if you want to spice all the way through, just use spiced Italian sausage or just use the mild. It really doesn't matter. It's delicious. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.